Hi friend, it's me, Assistant Professor Manoj Hemne at Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtuli Lohara, Tahsil Devri District, Gondia. Please follow me on the YouTube channel and subscribe the channel to get daily notification about the lectures. Okay, in the last part we have discussed about the lesson Kabuliwala, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. We had seen that the two character Kabuliwala and the another is Mini, who is 5 years old, and there is a communication between Mini and Kabuliwala. They are talk to each other just like they are a close friend, and but there is a gap between the age of the Kabuliwala and Mini. But at the initial, at the beginning, there is a distance in the relationship, but eventually in the course of time, the gap between their relationship is came to an end, and they at last meet each other and talk very friendly, and they tell jokes to each another and they laugh together. And all these incidents, all this seen by her father, and he was astonished, he was wonder about their relationship. Okay, when the Kabuliwala tells the jokes to Minnie and she abruptly laughs on the jokes, and after some times they both laughs at on the jokes. He tells her the jokes of the father-in-laws, and the meaning of father-in-law according to the Bengali girl or Mini, the meaning of the word Kabuliwala is two different meanings. The one general meaning is the father-in-laws, means Sasur, and the another is hidden meaning for the word father-in-law, that is the jail. And that's why she can't understand the hidden meaning of the word the Kabuliwala, but she was laughing at the joke. The narrator notes that the father of Minnie notes that it is perfect autumn weather, and the time period of the time is the autumn season, and he notes that which makes him thinks about the ancient time. The narrator, means Minnie's father, thought about the weather and his mind run around the world, and sometimes his mind at the present and sometimes at the ancient time when kings, then the king would set out on the world conquest. He says that the king of the time conquest his war, conquest his palace, unlike this king, means he compares and his mind runs again and again, sometimes here, sometimes there, and that's why he compares the king of the present time and king of the ancient time. The narrator has never left his hometown of Kolkata. The narrator of the story, the Minnie's father, never went for the other places in the world, he has never left his hometown of Kolkata, but his mind is wander around the world, and he sees sometimes the Delhi, sometimes the Himachal, and his mind wandered or traveled to the world. Because of this, his mind rules all over the world, even while he is physically condemned to his house. Even though he was physically in his house, but his mind is traveled around the world, and he loves imagining far away places, and he enjoyed the traveling to the world. He enjoyed the far away places in the world, and the free and the pleasant life, and he enjoyed the free and pleasant life in his imaginations. He could have there. He sometimes here, sometimes there, and he enjoyed all the places in the world, even though he was in Kolkata. The Kabuliwala, who has traveled far more than the narrator, offers him an opportunity to hear stories about high scars, blood-colored, forbidding mountains, well-laden camels, turbaned merchants, and wayfarers can be seen traveling from one place to the next, which the narrator claims is quite enough wandering to he. What did the narrator said? The narrator said that the Kabuliwala give opportunity to the narrator because the narrator didn't travel to the world, but with the memory of Kabuliwala, he traveled around the world, and the Kabuliwala gave opportunity to the writer, to the narrator, to hear the stories of the highland, the Himalaya, and different state, different countries. The narrator sees in his mind the laden camel, the turban merchant, and the wayfarers. He traveled one place to another, and his mind is wandering so many places, wandering here and there all around the world. The narrator's wives again says, what is here done? The narrator's wife means his mother is very different from the narrator. Means there is a different between thinking process of the narrator and his wife means Minnie's mother. Minnie's mother is very easily alarmed. She was very fearless woman. She was very fearful woman. She frightened of so many things and is convinced that the world around their home is dangerous, and she thought that the world and the people around their home, around their house are very dangerous, and she always thought of the upcoming dangers, and full of villains, and the area and the neighbors of hers are, she thought, are villains. They are very dangerous, life threatening disease. She thought that the area and the outside people of their home are very dangerous, are very villains and life-threatening disease, menacing animals and even more menacing white-skinned marauders. She thought that the people around their home are very dangerous. They are like a threatening disease. They are like an mechanic injured, very wild animals. They are like a wild skin marauders. Because what was the reason of thinking about? Because of this, she repeatedly warns, and she was always afraid of the people. And that's why she always repeatedly warns the narrator to keep an eye on the Kabuliwala, and that's why she always repeated or warns the narrator that you keep an eye on the काबुलीवाला. ती नेहमी म्हणायची की तू काबुलीवाल्यावर लक्ष ठेव. बिकॉज कारण काय होतं त्याचं, कारण की तिच्या मनामध्ये ती तिला वाटत होतं की तिच्या घराच्या अवतीभोवती जे कोणी लोक राहत असतात ते आर व्हेरी डेंजरस, ते खूप डेंजरस आहेत, ते एखाद्या रोगाप्रमाणे आहेत, एखाद्या हिंस्र प्राण्याप्रमाणे आहेत, एखाद्या व्हाईट स्किन मॅरेडर, एखाद्या गिरगिटाप्रमाणे आहे, जे आपल्यावर कधीच हल्ला करू शकतात. अँड दॅट्स वाय तिला मिनीबद्दल नेहमी चिंता असायची, आणि त्यामुळे ती नरेटरला, तिच्या पतीला ती म्हणायची की तुम्ही जो काबुलीवाला आहे त्याच्यावर नेहमी लक्ष ठेवत चला. When the narrator tries to conceive her, and whenever the narrator trying to conceive her, trying to make understand her that the Kabuliwala is safe, and he always telling her that the Kabuliwala is safe, she launches on a tirade about the dangers of kidnapping and children being sold into slavery in Afghanistan, and she always gives the example of the tirade about the dangers of kidnapping. ती नेहमी म्हणायची की अफगाणिस्तानमध्ये स्लेव्हरी नव्हती का, अफगाणिस्तानमध्ये कधी मुलं किडनॅप केल्या जात नाही का, याबद्दल ती नेहमी त्याला सांगत असायची. The narrator admit that, and he also admit that his wife's fears aren't entirely unfounded. तो नेहमी तिच्या मनातील जी भीती असायची ती ॲक्सेप्ट सुद्धा करत असायचा. त्याला सुद्धा वाटायचं तिच्या मनामध्ये जी भीती आहे ती पूर्णपणे चुकीची नाहीच, कारण की अशा प्रकारचे केसेस, किडनॅपिंगचे, मुलांना किडनॅप करण्याचं, त्यांना गुलाम म्हणून ठेवण्याचं ज्या न्यूज असतात त्या सगळीकडं ऐकायला भेटतच असतात. अँड दॅट्स वाय ही कॅन नॉट टोटली डिनाय द फिअर ऑफ अ वाईफ, but he sees no problem in continuing to let the Kabuliwala come to the house to talk to Minnie. But in this case of Kabuliwala, he sees there is no problem in meeting between his daughter Minnie and the Kabuliwala, and that's why he didn't deny to meet Kabuliwala to his daughter. The time eventually comes for the Kabuliwala to collect his debts and return to his home. And in a year, the time is came for the Kabuliwala to collect his debts, collects his collection of and रिटर्न टू हिज होम. ही वेळ आलेली असते त्या वर्षातली जेणेकरून त्याची जेवढी काही उधारी असेल ती उधारी तो गोळा करत असतं आणि तो त्यावेळेस गावाला जात असतं. ही इज बिझी ऑल डे ड्युरिंग द टाइम आणि इन दॅट टाइम ही वॉज continuously busy in the whole day. But apart from that, Bert never fails to come to the narrator's home to see Minnie. Even though he was busy in collecting his debt, he was तो काय करत असायचा, जरी तो त्याच्या उधारी गोळा करण्यात असायचा तरी पण तो वेळ काढून तो काय मिनीला भेटायला येत असायचा. बट नेवर फेल्स टू कम टू द नरेटर होम्स टू सी Minnie. Even though the sight of Rahman is high baggy process in a little frightening to the narrator, he is always overjoyed to see how warmly Minnie greet the काबुलीवाला. काय त्याला वाटायचं नरेटरला की एवढा बिझी असताना सुद्धा जर हा मिनीला भेटायला येत असेल तर याच्या मनामध्ये काहीतरी वाईट विचार असेल किंवा काहीतरी वाईट असणार असं त्याला थोडा वेळ वाटायचं. बट जेव्हा तो दोघांमधील बोलणं ऐकायचा, ग्रीटिंग बघत असायचा तेव्हा त्याला कोणत्याही प्रकारची भीती वाटत नसायची. एके दिवशी काय घडतं, one morning during this time the narrator is up early and working in his study. When the narrator was studying his novel, he sees that he is enjoying the pleasant morning sun when he hears accidentally अचानकपणे काय घडत असतं, when the narrator was busy in the morning, he hears some choral, some sound from the outside of his home, a sudden commotion in the street. He saw the commotion in the street from his study. The narrator sees outside his house. तेव्हा तो त्याच्या स्टडीतून बाहेर निघून बाहेर बघत असतं. काय दिसतं त्याला, a Rahman being taken away in handcuffs covered in blood. The narrator says that one person, the two policemen come and they covered a blooded knife in the hand, and Rahman was bound by the police. One of the policemen bringing him away is holding a bloody knife, and one of the policemen was holding a bloody knife, and the another is holding Rahman. And all this scene is seen by the narrator. He was frightened. What happened actually with the काबुलीवाला, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी पाहून त्याला एक प्रकारची चिंता वाटत असतं की नेमकं काय झालं काबुलीवाल्याला. अशा प्रकारचा तो विचार करत असतो. The another part of the story we will discuss in the next video. Okay.